In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PrizePicks. So here we are logged into my account. In order to withdraw, you have to have obviously deposited money, use your initial deposit, and have a minimum balance of $10 or more. So go ahead and tap the little lines in the upper left-hand corner next to the PrizePicks logo. You'll see all of the settings here. We want to scroll down to where you see Request Withdrawal. It'll be about midway down. And then once we tap on Request Withdrawal, it'll allow you to withdraw funds as well as see your withdrawal history. So right here, we will have different methods to withdraw. So for me, that would be PayPal. For you, it might be a credit card, whatever it might be. And then what you're going to want to do is tap on that method you want to use. And then you go ahead and select the amount that you want to withdraw. So for me, I'll say 50. And then you'll just tap the button there that says withdraw and the current amount you have selected. It'll send a confirmation code like this. Go ahead and tap confirm, and you will see it'll process your withdrawal. And then you should see within a few seconds that that amount has been deducted from your account and into the payment method of your choice. So that's how you withdraw money from PrizePicks. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you in the next video.